Hello, it's Lego Expiraments, and today I'm going to make another experiment. What happens if I put Lego, just a random Eiffel Tower, in slime? Sticky slime. How sticky, you say? Sticky. So sticky. Imagine this was the flood in Paris, France. Nothing exactly happens. Really? It's just like cotton candy. I spit it. Now it looks like a, what is it called? A broom. It looks like a broom. Like those that you wipe in the floor when you do this. It looks like those things that you wipe in the floor. That like you clean up with water and stuff. So let's see what happens if I put fox in here. Gonna end this whole animal's career. I feel so bad for the fox. I was going to say frog. Nothing exactly happened, except there's a little bit slime near the ear. Okay. Nothing exactly happened. So, what happens if I put a Lego? Actually, let's put Melinium falcon in here. So yeah, this is Star Wars dips. We want to eat some. First, you have to get Millennium Falcon out of Lego, and you have to get slime to make the Star Wars dips. So, slime versus sheep. Oh my god, he is literally sucked in. Oh my god, he's staring out. Why did you do this, Edgar? Why did you do this? Okay, sorry. Oh my god! It's gooey sheep. That is such a gooey sheep. Oh my god, that is so gooey. Gooey ass Taco Bell. Taco Bell isn't gooey. Why did I say that? Just because it had L. And I didn't want to say the swear word. So, yeah. What else should I put in here? I know this isn't Lego, but this ball from Little Caesars. My little brother got it. Don't ask. Oh, I can still see a C. Little Caesars. Oh, it's shrink. Oh, it's sinking down. Oh, I see the little brother. Boop, boop, boop. It's not popped. Boop. It's popped. This sheep, so gooey. Okay, not a lot now. So let's go see how the ball turned out. Oh my god, just like the sheep. Just like the sheep. Oh no, I accidentally made it go back in the sticky slime. How sticky? Did that and it's not even off. So the only thing left to do is to try to make the sticky go away from there. Or I don't know. What should I do? This is going to be a new build sometime. Oh, it doesn't fit. This is Lego piston. Doesn't fit. It's cool because, oh no wait, the Eiffel Tower has a little bit of slime on its antenna. Okay. Okay then. So, I don't know if we should do anything else. So I also built giants Lego Alex and Lego Steve. Which one should I do first? I don't know. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I kind of did that on purpose. I don't know what to do. Lego Steve first. This is Lego Steve when he accidentally falls into the sewer. Let's go try that again. Oh wait, it was Lego Steve. Lego Steve when he falls into the sewer. Let's go see what happens.
Wait, equals what?
I'm recording, and also, what was the question again?
Equals what?
Equals what? Equals Minky.
Whatever, I couldn't get it.
What was that? Was it right? What was that right? You heard of that? What was that right? 6 times. Okay, I'm gonna pause. So Steve is in the sewer, poisonous sewer. He's too tall to even fit his whole body in. Oh no, his legs. His legs are disgusting. Oh no, his legs. Okay, Steve is right. Well, not this is. I try to copy Big Figs, but I messed up so bad. It's not big enough to be a big fig. Stay in there. Oh, I forgot. They can sit. I made their legs do that. Oh my god, her legs. Oh my god, her legs is disgusting, just like Steve's. My little brother is watching. He's the only live viewer.
Why are they in the sewer?
These are the objects that I threw in. Eiffel Tower.
What's Eiffel Tower?
Sheep. Fox.
We should have done skeleton.
Oh yeah, skeleton's gonna fall in there. La la la, I'm walking down.
Oh, and even
whoa,
big,
what is that? Oh no, I fell down in the ground.
Oh, and even big sheep.
Oh yeah, I made a grown sheep.
Oh, and even fox. Oh,
I already did fox.
Ocelot.
Gonna shake it down.
Did you do Ocelot?
No.
Okay, here.
Should I do Ocelot and then wolf?
Okay.
See what was it? Skeleton turned out.
Oh, and this.
What is it? Oh, what is this?
It's a juice.
He looks disgusting. He looks like something that would come out as a surprise toy, like a slime surprise toy.
Yeah,
then
but
like
it's
a surprise.
but in there it's just a Minecraft
oh my
Lego
god.
skeleton.
This is so sticky. Literally, his rib cages caught everything. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, now I made it stable.
Are you seeing this?
I made it stable.
Are you seeing this?
Oh
Look how
my
much slime the skeleton gave me.
My god! Wait, he has a little bit more.
Oh my god. Okay, now Ocelot time. I am sorry.
Wait.
I really feel bad.
There. Wait, a little bit more.
Oh, okay, I accidentally made sheep have it. I feel bad. Whoa!
Oh my god!
He's not getting harmed. How? Let's see the wolf. Oh my god, he's not getting harmed either.
Wait.
So weird.
Let's see. Oh, he's getting harmed.
Really? Wait, what piece did you break? I heard a piece break. So
I just put the tail down.
let's put arrow mock going here. Oh wait, give me the skeleton. I wonder what I can shoot at. Maybe I can shoot at this slime pit for no reason at all. Really, the bed?
Yeah. I'm gonna put a
Stop!
tree top.
Can you stop?
Okay.
Skeleton's gonna shoot at it because it hurt him a lot.
No.
This is gonna be another video of the Lego Experiments playlist. Oh my god, the arrow. At the beginning, it used to be not harmed, but now it is harmed. So, Hope you like this video. This is over 10 minutes. What the Taco Bell?
The Taco Bell. What the? Why did you say that?
Because I don't want to say the swear word.
What do you mean the swear word?
Okay. Hope you like this video.
And
Bye.
come on.
I'm going to do it at the
And
And
no.
bye.
Bye.